Baby bus.
Hello everyone, I am the Guardian. Let's search for those in need of first aid. My hand was scalded by the boiling water. It hurts. Your skin is red, swollen, and free of blisters. This is a mild scald. Don't worry, the Guardian is coming to give first aid. Rinse burn area with clean water for at least 10 minutes to cool the wound. If burn area is large, you can submerge burn area in cold water for 10 to 30 minutes. Cotton swab, scissors, sterile gauze, scald ointment, Scald ointment can be applied on mild scald for skin recovery. Cover the wound with sterile gauze for protection. Better not to wrap it too tightly. A kettle with boiling water is too hot to touch.
All right, I will never touch a kettle with boiling water again. Thank you, Guardian.
You're welcome. Is it right to rinse and cool the wound with clean water after being scalded? You are right. That's the right thing to do. You're awesome! Congratulations on winning a badge! Is it right or wrong to put a band-aid on burn area? You are right. That's not correct. Band-aid is airtight and not good for the recovery of scalded skin. You're great. Congratulations on winning a badge. Is it right to stay away from the gas oven as it is very dangerous? You are right. That's the right thing to do. You're awesome. Congratulations on winning a badge. Is it right or wrong to puncture the blister with a needle after being scalded? You are right. That's not correct. Once the blister is punctured, the damage on skin can easily cause infection. You're great. Congratulations on winning a badge. Is it right or wrong to touch the kettle with boiling water? You are right. That's not correct. The boiling water is extremely hot. Stay away and do not touch the kettle. You're awesome. Congratulations on winning a badge. Is it right to see a doctor immediately after being scalded badly? You are right. That's the right thing to do. You're great. Congratulations on winning a badge.